So, look, my hair is so disheveled. Don't look at it. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I am through Atlanta now, and now I have like 4 hours until Charlotte. I am going to put this bed up, and then I'm going to pull that bed down. Why? Because I can, and I paid for it. One side up. Easy this is. It's just a little lever that's down here, and voila, other side back up. Then you pull the bed down with this lever, and it clicks down till it falls into that click right there. So easy. You could even do it in one hand. Boom. It's my first train ride, but I'm like practically a professional at this point.